I will tell you one of the most easiest way to update NVIDIA graphics driver, and you will be able to do it on your own. So firstly, we need to identify that which NVIDIA graphics driver we have. So for that, we just need to do a right click in the start icon, and then we need to go to device manager. And here in device manager, we have this display adapters, and I'll click on that. And here I don't have a NVIDIA graphics driver, but in your case, you will find a display adapter and your NVIDIA driver right here. So you need to note it down. All right, take paper pen, note it down, or use mobile phone to note it down. Once you know what exactly you're using, close this window and open your favorite browser, and either here in the address bar or in the search result type NVIDIA drivers. That's it. And you need to hit enter. Now please make sure that you only visit nvidia.com website, and I'll click on that. I will also mention this link in my description box so that you don't have to search for it. Now once it is opened, we need to select the product type. I would not recommend to use the automatic detect feature because you might not be able to do that and your browser might not be updated. So the best way to update the graphics driver, especially the NVIDIA graphics driver, is to do the manual. So here you need to select the product type. So if you're using NVIDIA RTX, you can select that. And then series. So let's say if I'm using RTX series, if it's a notebook, you can select notebook. The product, let's say if I'm using RTX 5000, and here you can select your Windows. If you're using Windows 10, you can select that. I'm using Windows 11, so I'll select Windows 11. Now here, production branch studio or new feature branch, I would select the production branch. You can change the language. I'll select English US. And we just need to click on search. And here we have the latest version, and when exact the release date is 8th of February 2023. So it's quite updated. So we just need to click on download, and the file will be downloaded somewhere around 500 MB, the graphics driver, and you just need to click on agree and download, and the download will begin. So you can see almost 668 MB. Depends on your which NVIDIA graphics driver you have. So it's getting downloaded, and once it is done, you can simply install it. It's pretty easy to do so, and you will be able to install on your own because it's just you need to click on next few times and agree, and it will be done. So I'll just cancel this, and once you have successfully installed, you just need to restart the computer and you can enjoy your computer. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have successfully updated your NVIDIA graphics. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.